So today we're going to be looking at the day in the life of using my iPhone 13 mini. This is the second day of me using it, which I'm documenting since I opened it. If you haven't seen the unboxing, go and have a look at that. So I'm waking up and I'm just having a look, flick through, you know, it's still new to me. I'm having a little play. So yeah, really and truly, there's nothing that I really need to be doing in the morning on my phone. Like, I was up quite late the night before, so I kind of like patterned everything I needed to do. Like, I sent some emails out. So yeah, really and truly, I'm just gonna leave it. The alarm that you can hear is actually from my iPhone 5C. I'm just having a look now at the hue difference. I noticed that using the iPhone 5C, yes, in 2022 it's an emergency backup phone because my other phone died. You know, it really hurt my eyes a lot, so it's nice to have this because it's really comfortable. I've got it currently set on the True Tone, and literally any uncomfort that I had is non-existent. I also like the fact it's got dark mode, and I also like the fact that the low mode is actually really comfortable in dark rooms. It's really comfortable for my eyes. I'm just having a look here of using YouTube Studio. I'm just looking at some of my the upload, because that day I did upload the unboxing. So you can see a few of the apps that I have. I've got a text message that I'm in process of writing. It's too early to send that, so I'll send that a little bit later. Just having a look at the calendar for the first time, really. I like the phone. I want to see how the battery treats me today, but I really don't have anything to do in the morning using my phone, so I'm just going to put that to the side and enjoy my morning. Honey toast, the best, of course. So yeah, I'm just enjoying my morning right now. My phone is chilling. There's me just like updating a few more things to the video. Go check that out if you haven't seen it already. So look how small it is. It fits in my compartment for my handbag. I just love that. Perfect. Ready to go. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so I'm in the car. I haven't yet got a mount for my car and my phone yet. I tried to get one last night. Right, so music is a big thing. You know, I've downloaded Tidal. Well, hey, and I'm gonna be using the phone to stream and connect it to my Bluetooth so that I can like drive and enjoy listening to music at the same time. So that's one of the things I'll be doing with the phone quite frequently as well, because I'm a heavy streamer. Sort out my playlists and stuff, so
just a touch. Just a touch. And you're not in the mood like you used to. Girl, I can feel it. She tried to man for bantu.
okay, so I'm there and we're gonna check the phone when I'm inside. That journey only took around about I'd say between 15 and 20 minutes, so that's the amount of streaming that I did.
thought I'd just print 3 copies, please.
Also, it's my birthday. Well, not on this actual day, but pre-birthday. That's the last time I was in the office. So I walked in to loads of surprises from my colleagues. Bless them, shout out to them. That was so sweet. Really appreciate it. So I'm vlogging at work. My team's quite cool with it. They're chill. They know the vibes. And they also want to find out how my iPhone 13 mini behaves. I've sat down, I've pulled my phone out, and we're looking at battery level at the moment. It's taken 11%. Bearing in mind I was up at like 6:40. It's now like something past 9, so that's about 2 hours. So Snapchat, yeah. Originally, I wanted to get the hotspot from my iPhone 5C and use it, but it weren't working, so I just downloaded it real quick so that I could just stunt a little bit, show off. And really and truly, social media is not something that I want to be using often on this phone. I don't plan to use it. I plan to only use it for specific purposes. So I deleted it, and because I've uploaded and I don't really want it on my phone because I'm not really trying to be distracting myself unnecessarily. I'll post it and I'll check it later or something. So at the moment, I'm just finalising that text message because, yeah, it's like 20 to 10. It's a decent time to send the text message, so. Again, perfect. The way the phone feels is crazy. It feels like glass. I'm quite uncomfortable like holding it without a case. I was ordering a case online. I'm expecting a delivery of a case today, and I'm deciding to close all my background apps. I'm trying to make sure I keep the same energy and behavior. I downloaded Snapchat again, by the way. I'll delete it soon. But how I used to treat my phone before is what I'm doing. So I'm on break right now, and I'm gonna listen to some music on my break. I'm having a break in my car today. I think it's nice to get away from the office, get some fresh air, and change the scenery. Not just sit at your desk all day. So I've gone to have my break in the car, where I will be using the Bluetooth again, and then I will be just checking my emails. Oh yeah, look, you can see I deleted Snap again. 73% second day using it. I'm gonna go on to my green on. So yeah, today I've really been trying to get to know the phone a little bit more, flicking around things, finding my way around. Gotta put the Bluetooth on. Do a bit of streaming on my break. Do some streaming. Got some pesto pasta and salad on the go. The flowers that my colleagues got me, so cute. A little bit of sunscreen because I'm looking at the screen all day and I'm in a bright room. Top up on that. Here in the UK at the moment, we're talking February, the beginning of February, just come out of January. The weather is strong winds and it dries my face out a lot, so I'm just topping up on some moisturiser. So I've finished. I'm disconnecting the Bluetooth because I'm not using it anymore. And yeah, I'm really not going to be on my phone. And by the way, I am filming using my Canon DSLR. So I've finished now. So once again, I'm going to be using the phone to stream music, of course.
Just you want my cause under the moonlight. Couple sex and forget the mood right. Me I imagine we are fucking on the rose right. Tongue and roll up on my boss like you are roll die. Police go.
So I managed to pick up this phone holder. So I'm back now. So yeah, I haven't touched my phone since I've got in. I've had a shower, I've made food, I've eaten food, and now I've only just taken my phone out. Like, this is like natural behavior. And yeah, so from 6:40 till now, I'm on 60%. That's my day finished, basically. I finished my whole day. I don't know. It's saying that my usage for today was less than yesterday. I feel like that's because when I got home, I was using it a lot. I was using it more yesterday. As you can see, Tidal's my first use. Then it's mail, messages, and phone. Then internet. I think that being as I didn't really do anything, I've used 40%. You know, I didn't use it for sat nav, which is a big one, which I'll demonstrate way more heavier usage. So we're going to see how it's going to hold up. But all this information so you really can monitor. Really looking at it from that perspective, 40%, you know, I don't know, guys. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section below. If I'm going to compare it to what I was using before, of course it's an upgrade. If I was doing all that streaming on my 5C, I'll probably have like 20% left. So my screen came, thank God, because I was getting real uncomfortable holding it. The phone is complete glass. Not my screen, sorry, my case. Here it is, it looks beautiful. It still shows my colour of the phone's popping, and I feel a lot more comfortable. So having a look at this phone mount that I got for the car, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I'll do a separate video on how this is, because yeah, I want something to go on my dash. There's my phone in its case, looking all cool. But anyway, yeah, it lasted me my day. I'm not really gonna need to use my phone now, you know. I'll probably use a few calls and do a few calls and that, but thing is, I'm home, I'm safe, and I'm by the charge point. I've already eaten my dinner, I've done everything, like my day's done. Now I'm just gonna edit this video and get it out to y'all. So yeah, it's gonna go on charge now. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and take care, stay safe.